Here is the days 3 through 5 short film grading rubric. Again, going over expectations and how it's going to be assessed. They'll have a collage where they conceptualize their short film scene. They're going to create a detailed and correctly written script for a 30-second scene. And they're going to turn that in as an MP4 and a finalized video that will be 30 to 35 seconds. So now let's go to day 4. And day 4 is where they're actually going to shoot and record what they have conceptualized and scripted. Here it is. The lesson is production. The intended grade levels are still 9 through 12. Standards covered is course standard 8. Demonstrate the use of technology in recording and post-production applications, specifically recording. Materials needed, they'll use the school cameras, camera accessories, class computers. Okay. Instructions, film groups will convene, shoot the script that was written on day 3. So they're going to take what they did in day 3, they're going to put it on camera, and they're going to act it out. And they're going to remove that footage off their cameras, put it on the computer, and they'll be prepared to edit for day 5. So they'll spend day 4 shooting their 30-second scene using the scripts they wrote and conceptualized on day 3. And again, I included the same rubric for day 3. Again, it's day 3 through 5. So on day 4, on that page, they can access that rubric. Okay. Now day 5. Day 5 on Friday, this is the culmination of days 3 through 5. The lesson is post-production. Grade levels are still 9 through 12. Standard is still standard 8, same as day 4. Demonstrate the use of technology in recording and post-production applications.